Fail. That went well. So, as I mentioned before, I'm 43 and I'm single, so I got some strong opinions about superhero movies. Like Suicide Squad pissed me off, just because clearly they want a sequel. So at the very end, this character who organized them and could blow up all their heads, just who we thought was dead, just appeared out of nowhere, and it's like, okay. Just reset the scene. I mean, I realized we only went there to see Margot Robbie in her short shorts and all, so I mean, it justified the ticket, but still, fuck you. And so that's just my up here. I like to try and I realize that my humor is not going to broadly appeal. It's going to be it's going to be niche. I'm not going to be the Justin Bieber of comedy, right? I'm going to be the They Might Be Giants of comedy. And the fact that you don't know who the They Might Be Giants are is exactly what I mean. I want to be a band that only like 1% of the population knows about, but they're passionate about. That's what I'm trying to say. So if anyone has a geeky topic, I want to hear a geeky topic. I try to riff on it. I mean, like, don't say Star Trek. I mean, something like deep geek.
The Jaws movies.
The Jaws movies. What the fuck is geeky about sharks? Now, marine biology is geeky, so let's talk about, like, I don't think marine biology was really played up in Jaws. Right? I mean, they analyze and say, this is not just any great white shark. This is, an ichthyologist's nightmare of a great white shark, right? That, yeah, that's going nowhere. Anyone else have a good geeky topic? String theory. All right? Now, for some of you who are more musicians than scientists, you might think it's talking about six-string theory. No, string theory is the idea that there's 11 fucking dimensions. Listen, you fuckers, all right? I know you can think about 1, 2, and 3. You're like, okay, well, there's length, and then there's length and width, and there's area, and there's 3 dimensions, like, but scientists say there's 11 dimensions, and they're all folded up into each other. I don't even know what the fuck that means, but at least I know that it exists. And there's 2 time dimensions. All right? There's a time dimension that we know, which goes like straight forward, and there's a time dimension that women use when they say, I need time. Which means I need like 30 seconds until I meet a guy who's better looking than you. Any other geeky topics?
Quantum computing.
Quantum computing. Now, I have no idea what the fuck that means, but I know that they've taken quantum physics and they use that somehow in embedding a ton of information on a chip that's like smaller than your fingertip. And like that's how you can have like, these. So like, and that's one of the things is that they did this abstruse research of quantum physics, which is like the idea that light can be a particle and a wave at the same time. I'm not going to explain that. It is. And some of that's completely abstruse and have no practical application other than nuclear fucking bombs. They then figured out how to embed a ton of information on a chip, which just means that you can store your porn much more affordably. That's all I got. Yes, everybody.